Hello, and welcome to the new members website tutorial, a Toastmasters educational by Dominic Villani. Start by navigating to toastmasters.org. Then, click on Login. If this is the first time that you're logging into toastmasters.org, scroll down to First Time Logging In, click here, and click there. This will take you to a Reset Your Password page. Enter your email address and then click Submit. Once you receive the email from resetting your password, you'll be given a temporary password which you'll be asked to change once you've logged in. Now that you're logged in, first click Pathways. Then click on Go to Basecamp. From here, you have several options to choose from. Choose a path, go to Basecamp, and the navigator. For now, click on Continue to Path Selection. Choose your language, then click on Select Digital Resources. We recommend you take the online assessment by clicking here. However, you can also view all of the path options. At the same time, you'll be allowed to view all the path options after you've taken the assessment. Now, click Continue. Click Start to start the online assessment. The assessment will ask you various questions and shouldn't take more than about 5 minutes to complete. Once the assessment is complete, you'll have 3 paths out of the 11 possible paths at the top, which are recommended based on your assessment results. At this screen, you can choose through the various other paths, including clicking on the plus signs to learn more about each path. Once you've decided on your chosen path, click on Select followed by the path name. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Continue. You will then be taken to a screen asking you to confirm your selection. If you're sure this is the path that you want to take, click on Continue again. From there, you'll be taken to a checkout menu. For you, your first path will be free. Once you've gone through checkout after selecting your pathway, go back to the home page of toastmasters.org. Click on Pathways. Click on Go to Basecamp again. Then click on Go to Basecamp once more. You are now in the Toastmasters Basecamp. The path that you've chosen should appear under Paths and Learning. From here, you can click on Open Curriculum. This will take you to the curriculum of your chosen path, starting at level 1. As you can see, there are 5 levels in a path, each containing various projects. Your first speech will be the icebreaker. To start it, click on Launch. Once the Icebreaker education materials have launched, you'll be taken through a tutorial on how to navigate the education materials. Go through each slide step by step, learning along the way. Eventually, you'll get to a page that includes the evaluation resource link. Click this now to get your evaluation form, which will be important for when you present your speech. The evaluation form is used by your evaluator to assess your speech, including where you excelled, what you might want to work on, and how to challenge yourself to become the best speaker you can be. Depending on whether your meeting is online, in-person, or hybrid, either click on Download or Print. Once you've procured your evaluation resource, you may close the page. You may now close this tab as the rest of the slides will ask you about how your speech went after you've completed the project. Speak to your Vice President of Education or whoever is responsible for organizing your meetings at your club to schedule your icebreaker. From here on, you'll follow the same procedure and go through all of the different projects in the same manner. Thank you for your time. Welcome to Toastmasters Pathways. If you have any further questions, contact your Vice President of Education, mentor, or another experienced Toastmaster for further assistance.